folks, and welcome to the River Stick Shop. Today we're doing a Predator 13, and I'm going to show you how to install the River Stick box on the kayak. First thing we're going to do is what you want to do is take a pilot drill hole, and we're going to drill the holes into the kayak. So what you want to do is take your River Stick box when you receive it. You want to line it up onto the back of your kayak. You want to make sure it sits on there level so everything's even, so when you go to pre-drill it, it'll be straight. Take a small bit and go down through your plate, which will be, the holes will be there already for you, and you just drill them out. Then what you're going to do, once you get that done, you're going to switch over to a 1/2 inch bit. Move your plate. You're going to drill 1/2 inch holes where the pilot holes are. Just like that. Alright, once you have the 1/2 inch holes in, we're going to put a spacer plate on. Okay? On this particular kayak, sometimes there's different thickness in the plastic. So we're going to put the spacer plate in there first. And then we're going to use these toggles. These toggles hold 263 pounds each. So what you want to do is put these down through there, like that. Pull them up tight, and then zip that down nice and snug. Okay? Leave it on there like that. Don't break them off yet until you get them all in and they're nice and tight. This way you know it's lined up perfectly. Alright, now that we got them in, I'll go ahead and tighten them up. Pull up on them, snap them off just like that. Pull them up, snap them off. And again, like I said, not all kayaks not all the Predators are gonna have to have the space plate on them. But I'll send it with it just in case you need it. Okay? And then you also have one back here too, on the handle. So now what we're going to do, we're going to sit this back down. Make sure we line up right. Take our screws. Alright. And we'll put them in here like this. This one started. Okay, we'll go to the front ones here, get them started. And again, don't tighten them down until you get them all in and started. This way we know they're in the right way. If you have any questions, you can always give me a call. I'll be more than glad to answer any questions you may have. can use a drill on it if you like. I prefer not to because you don't want to strip anything out. I go around, I tighten them down by hand. Now you can tighten them down. Like that. And that's on there good and tight. Now, for your pad eyes and your string, the rod goes right on down through this shaft. Okay. And what you get with this is you get this pin. Okay. And this pin actually goes through this push pin here. Okay. You'll see the hole that goes through your rod. Okay. Goes right through there. And then you take the pin and push it down in there. And folks, make sure you push it all the way down in there like that. Alright, now let's see how this works. You have your pad eyes here, and I will be sending you a couple of pad eyes. And it goes up to your shaft up here to your cam cleat. And you will be getting one of these. Your cam cleat is where your rope goes in and it holds your river stick. So if you pull it, you'll see once you pull it, it raises up and it goes down. It's that simple. And it's that easy to install. So there you have it, folks. I hope it helped you out. I hope if you have any questions, you feel free to call me. And hope you enjoy the river stick.